So we went back inside, started folding laundry and going on with our day. I couldn't help but think that was really like the easiest thing I've ever done to the motorhome. I mean, it's like equivalent with changing light bulbs. It's just so simple. Maybe 24 little screws. I mean, changing the vent, so the vent cover, so the vent can be open when you're driving. That's pretty easy. But this shade, this window, that's really easy. It was just, for $100, it's like one of the best things you could do. This is terrible. I didn't think it was terrible, but it's terrible. Because as soon as the sun rises, the entire inside of the motorhome is glowing because of this glass that you can't even see out. So today we're going to fix that. Look how much light it's letting into the motorhome. And there's no way to turn it off. There's no way to close it. All the other blinds are closed. This one has no blind. So we're going to fix that today. So this is what we found.
Hi.
AP Products Slim Shade. I don't know what it is with businesses these days. It's pretty terrible that AP Products, you go to their website, this isn't even on there. But it's on Amazon Prime, $100. Got this shade clear glass, tinted glass, right? Black frame, tinted window, pleated shade, installs with only a screwdriver. We'll see if that's true today.
Yeah.
Okay, now close it, take off the tape.
Can't wait to fill those in. Even with the screen open, it's a lot darker in here. And you can actually see out, which is nice. So one issue that we found is that you can't close the shade because the screen door is here blocking you. So you have to actually open the door, then close the screen, lower the shade, and then come back in.
I can't see you. That's how dark it is.
It looks great.
It's nice. Well, it's shaded. It's still a little sunny over there, but it's pretty dark.
It's pretty dark.
That's good. That's what we need.
Yep. It's like the easiest thing we've ever installed.
Yeah, it took us 30 minutes.
Yeah. But it was
Total.
still easy.
Good job, honey. I would say that's your best RV purchase yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job.